exclusively for cats. Sorry, humans. Lollipop for cats. Relax, this is not like that unhealthy candy. This Lollipop cat treat from Cuddles & Meow is made of high nutrient ingredients. My cat's enjoying this too much. It comes in various flavors too. They have the chicken with cat grass, which helps with hairball digestion. Chicken with goat milk provides enough protein, and chicken—
Here's the real difference between dog people and cat people. Dog people wish their dogs were people. Cat people wish they were cats. Here's the—
I'm telling Mom, you're talking.
Me no steady, me no care, me go marry a million.